Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Ray, a hope of light. This is your Ashkin and I am a psychologist. Scientifically proven methods to excel in exams. So this is the third video on the series of exam anxiety. So in this video I'm going to talk about some tricks to excel in your exam, so that would definitely help you to reduce your exam anxiety during the exam. So in my previous video I have actually spoken about how to get prepared for the exam. So it can be any kind of exams, board exams, final exams, or you have competitive exams and all that. So how do you get it planned beforehand, a month before, a night before and all that. But in this video we are going to focus more on the exam day, timing, the exam time. During exam time, how can we manage or reduce our anxiety level? Okay, so let's look into the videos and the tricks. The first trick that we are going to talk about is maintaining a positive attitude. Feeling comfortable and being having a good attitude towards exam is a very critical component in reducing an exam anxiety. It would be nice if you can reach the exam hall before time, so that you can keep some schedule time for traffic jams or last minute some kind of things and all that. Keep aside all that and make sure that you reach exam hall before time, so that you get time to settle down yourself and feel a little comfortable. So if you need, you can just take few breaths to calm down and be comfortable. You can go, if you need to use washroom before the exam start, go ahead with it. And wear a comfortable clothing or whatever is your uniform that you're not supposed to wear. So adjust your clothing so that you feel little positive in that way. And so it's very important, and I say it is not just important, it is very usual to feel tense at that point. Okay, it is quite natural. How much ever you have prepared, you would definitely feel very much anxious during the time of exams, but it's quite natural. So now your task is to do your best, okay, because you have done everything that you have to do it. So now the responsibility that you have is to do whatever you have prepared. Just do your best, okay. So there is nothing to ponder upon and all that. So be clear on that thought and just enter the exam hall with a very positive attitude. And second trick would be deciding your pattern to answer. How are you gonna answer your question? So what I would say is, take time to read through all the instructions and the questions that is there in that question paper. Okay, take time to understand, analyze whatever the questions. It's fine if you are reading once or twice or thrice to get a better idea on it. Okay, so pick out the questions which is very much related to your revision part. Okay, so whichever you have revised very much, and you can pick out those answers, all the questions and all that. So you can actually plan your answers in that way. You can either start from easy to difficult questions or difficult to easy questions, or whichever way that might help. Okay, but I would say doing an easy one first would help you to relax better. Okay, so that it works. You have time to work upon your difficult questions, so that you don't miss out any of the questions. And I would leave this option to you, because some are good with starting easy question and some are good with difficult questions. So you can plan out this during your planning time, and just try to spend some 5 to 10 minutes on this rough guide, because this would help you to flow your thoughts. So how I'm gonna do this exam. Okay, so try to ignore whatever the other things that comes your way on this part. So just try to ignore all those disturbances that comes your way when you read all these questions and all that. So plan each answer in advance, so how we are gonna get it done. Okay, and now moving on to the third trick, which is very very crucial, that is managing your time. So keep an eye on your watch or a clock, so that you have enough enough time for your final answer. So if you don't have enough answer, for example, if you're on the last question and you don't have much time, it's fine, it's completely fine. So try to quickly make a skeleton on that. Okay, so it may be a flow chart on it. So how are we going to present it? It may be a short note on that. So whatever would work better, so just try to manage it. But first step is definitely managing your time for each and every questions. But if it doesn't work out, and for the final question, if you're not able to make it, so just manage to get a flow chart or a skeleton of that answer in a note form, so that it would be helping you to gain marks in that question. Okay, managing the time is a very important trick in that case. Okay, so if at all you're feeling still anxious during the exam, so these are things that I usually do, but you know what, I get anxious most of the time. So this might be a most common question that people have. So try to practice relaxation techniques. So this is the most important trick, I would say. Okay, so managing your time with some relaxation technique is also very important. So before you enter into an exam hall, having a deep breath, 2 to 3 deep breaths would help you to calm yourself. And the posture when you sit and write the exam. Okay, so there are people who just will be like sitting very casually, very loose shoulders and all that. But I would say sitting with a good posture would definitely help you to manage anxiety. And I'm not saying this is based on the researches that have been conducted. So they say that good posture would definitely has a connection with the breathing habit. So whenever we feel anxious, what happens is our breathing rate increases, or it is not following in a regular pattern. So automatically that would create a physical imbalance and a mental stress. So instead, when you are able to maintain a good posture, that would help the lungs to expand during breathing, and it would make it more comfortable. Okay, so maintaining a good posture is something that is very important, that gives you a good self image as well. So it's just not the inner personality, even the outer personality looks good when you practice a good posture. And practice some deep breathing for exercises. So taking a triangular breathing, just inhaling for 3 seconds, holding it for 3 seconds, and exhaling for a 3 seconds. So these are some things that you can do during exams to reduce your anxiety. And some people would also follow certain kind of stretches. It can be a meditation, it can be a yoga, it can be a prayer, or just a stretch or a muscular relaxation to feel comfortable during exam. So this would also help you to release your anxiety. Okay, this effect of muscle tension and release, what happens is that would give us a mode of less stress and nervousness. And also the other technique that you could actually do it during your exam hall is that mental imagery techniques, I would say. So thinking a calm music in your mind, whichever is your favorite music, you can just think about the rhythm and all that goes in the mind, or you can visually image some pleasant places. Okay, some kind of pleasant images that comes across, beautiful travel, some window side seat, or whatever that you feel like, which is very pleasant to watch, sit and watch. So visually imagining those situations would also help you to relax yourself during exams. So these are some of the important tricks that you can follow during your exam. So thank you for watching this video. If you like this video and find this video useful, kindly share, subscribe and comment our channel and support our channel. Spread the race. In this video, I'm going to